Take a ride in the 2016 Grand Caravan. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, daytime running lights, remote engine start, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes, ambient lighting. Inside you'll find leather upholstery, keyless entry, automatic climate control, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, power driver's seat. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.